So let's check what the markets are doing right now, because you can see we've been enjoying traction to the upside, but a little bit of well, I don't want to say slowdown, but look, the S&P 500 hit a new intraday high today. The NASDAQ hit a new intraday high. Dow is up 68 points. So we're still enjoying the rally that we saw earlier this week. Jared Blikre, what's the latest on what's driving these markets up? Nowhere else to go?
Well, the direction is up. That's based on momentum. I think everybody's waiting for that big Powell speech tomorrow morning. Is it going to be hawkish, dovish? I don't expect much from it. I went on record this morning. I think it might be a buy the news event, but we'll have plenty of time to digest those market movements throughout the day and deal with them as they come. Now, I want to go to the Wi-Fi Interactive to chart today's price action. This is a Dow, can still up holding on to 68 points worth of gains. That's only about 0.2%. You can see a little bit off of the highs here, but as we've been saying for weeks and months, with a few rare occasions, not a lot happening in the indices, but you take a look at what's happening in the bond market. That is impressive. We have another big up day in the making. That is up, looks like the 10-year settled at 1.34%. So that's up 5 basis points. If you take a look at a 2-month chart here, you can see we're climbing back towards these highs here where bonds reversed previously. So essentially, we've been in a trading range for about 2.5 months now, and looks like we're heading towards the upper end of that range. Let's check out the market action. This is a NASDAQ 100 mixed board. Tesla's up 1%, Nvidia up another 2%. Just went over some analysts, Piper Jaffray's note on Nvidia and AMD saying that they're a bit overvalued here, but they like them long term. Also, the cybersecurity industry group really heating up today with President Biden just gave his address following his meetings. We know there are several side meetings still going on, but you take a look at what's happened this week. I'm going to change this to a 5-day, and we got some real standouts here. You can see Cisco up 8%, CrowdStrike up 16%, Okta up 13%, and the big star from yesterday, Palo Alto Networks, up 25% year to date, and over the last 2 days, that's 23%. So almost all of it over the last 2 days. Do want to check out the sector action. We got, and we'll change this back to intraday, financials in the lead today, both financials and energy up over 1%. We also have industrials, discretionary materials, and utilities now, and real estate outperforming. A lot of outperformers there, but mainly the day is for value and cyclicals, and that's what we expect when we see the 10-year T-note yield up big as we just charted here. To the downside, staples, healthcare, and tech are the big losers. Guys?